Hey guys, before we get started, I wanted to give you guys a little before of what my studio looked like. There was really no organization or any theme going on here. It was just like clutter and mess pretty much everywhere. So this is the little plan that I was going for. I needed to have the cat box in a specific place away from the heater. I wanted to have new shelves. I wanted to make like a cohesive theme going on in it. Day one was dedicated to cleaning and getting everything out of the studio so I can really see what I was working with. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Sean. He painted in here for pretty much dirt cheap, so I was so happy about that. It made the room look so much brighter and bigger, and I just want to give a big thank you to Sean if you're watching this. If you check out my last two studio vlogs, you can see that the wall that I'm standing in front of right now, I painted with black chalkboard paint and it just looked so hideous. So I was so happy when he came over and painted the walls because it really just makes everything so much brighter and really nice to work in. For this studio makeover, I just spent under $100 on everything that I put in the studio. I've acquired a lot of stuff over the years, so half the decorations and furniture I did have. I also scored this beautiful ass desk from this lady on Facebook. I went to a yard sale at her house a Sunday before, and then I found her on Facebook and I asked her if she still had it. And she said she did, and she was nice enough just to give it to me for free because her husband was just gonna chop it up and burn it. But I swear, the piece de resistance is these big ass cups that hang off the side. They literally fit everything and it's just out of the way, and I'm just so thankful for this lady that she gave me this desk. Now that we had a little bit of organization underway, it was time to start refurbishing all of this furniture. My dad is a collector of stuff. Many might call him a pack rat, but he always has a bunch of furniture and stuff at his house, so he let me pick out a couple things. But you can always find like junky stuff at a thrift store for really cheap, and a little spray paint and some sandpaper can honestly make it look so much better. We are now on day 2, which is the best part of this video because it's all about the decorations. So we all know that decorations can get hella expensive, really for no reason. So later in this video, I'm going to be showing you some decor that is very cute and it is very cheap to make if you don't have the materials already. got some fake ivy off Amazon and it literally smells terrible. It just smells like dead fish or ugh, I don't know. Y'all don't really understand how happy I am that I got this Monstra plant. Is that how you pronounce it, Monstra? Well, this beautiful house plant, but you know, it comes in this really ugly planter, and I'm just going to take my macrame string and just wrap it around the planter because I know a lot of people like put them in baskets, which I think is so cute, but I'm very cheap and I have lots of macrame string, so we're just gonna wrap it all around and it will look like a basket. Do it yourself, cheap ass bitch like me. I think my favorite part of this video are these little flower vases. Do not ask me why I keep pencil shavings, but I do. I just love the way they look, and good thing I did because I came up with this little idea to put the freaking pencil shavings in this little jar and then put the flowers inside. I just love the way it looked. So I had these little glass jars just hanging around my studio, and I've also had these flowers drying out since about May. But you can really use any vessel that you want, either plastic or glass, it really doesn't matter. So get a little jar, dry out some flowers, sharpen some pencils, and bada bing bada boom, you got a cute ass decoration. So this last decoration I know is probably not going to apply to everyone, and not a lot of people are going to just find dead moths at their house for any random reason. But 1 year ago when I moved into my new house, this moth was just dead in front of my house, and it was just too beautiful to let it sit there. So it's been sitting in my freezer for 1 year, and I finally got a shadow box off Amazon, and I decided to display this beautiful ass creature on my shelf. The last decoration I decided to hang up was this beautiful Santa type my friend Jesse made me. He took this picture of me on the train and I am just so in love with it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this little studio makeover / transformation. It's exactly what I was imagining, you know, I just wanted something fresh, bright, and clean, and I swear, cleaning up your workspace makes you feel so much more productive. I said that in my first transformation video, and I'm gonna say it again. If you guys want to see a little studio tour, give me a like and I'll film one of those soon. And don't forget to subscribe for me if you want to see this space a little bit more often. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!